The Anker SOLIX EverFrost 2 electric cooler 58 liters cools and freezes without ice, which means more space for storage and added convenience. As a professional golfer, majority of my time is spent traveling and driving all across the country playing in different tournaments, which is why I converted my Jeep Wrangler into a camper. The Anker cooler is a great addition to my setup. It's super convenient to keep waters, groceries, snacks cool while I'm on the go and on the road. I love that it has 2 compartments. I use one for a fridge, one for a freezer, but you can adjust temperatures to make both either a fridge or a freezer. The LED screen on the cooler itself tells me exactly how cold each compartment is, and I can conveniently check it using my phone via Bluetooth. Knowing exactly what temperature the cooler is at brings me comfort knowing that my foods stay safe and cold while I'm out competing. And given the battery life, food and drinks can stay cool for up to 78 hours. All the Anker products I've used over the years have been super sturdy and reliable, and the electric cooler, 58 liters, is one of their most impressive products.
The Bose SoundLink Max speaker has big stereo sound and deep bass. My name is Marcos Enrique Palacios, AKA Cosign. I've worked with some of your faves like Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, John Legend, and this speaker is at the top of the top. What I love about it is the durable design and the portability. Musicians, producers, we live an on-the-go life. We can't even get into the details that us as creators layer into this music if it's not being translated properly. Now, when it comes to features and functions, what I love the most is that auxiliary output on the back. You're a producer, you have your laptop, you're gonna wanna plug in from an analog, tap in and be able to just get it with no latency. When it's time to turn up, okay, do not be afraid to bring this out at the barbecue. You're gonna need this speaker to keep the party moving and grooving. This is my go-to portable speaker.
As a mixologist, I love that Gardenista has such a unique recipe. Their premium vodka, tequila, and bourbon ready-to-serve cocktails are made with fresh lime juice, herbs, and a kick of jalapeno. It's the perfect pairing of spice and spirits with just enough sweetness. The vodka drink is smooth with a crisp finish, while the tequila cocktail has a zesty lime brightness topped with a kick. And the bourbon cocktail, that has warm undertones and a nice tangy twist. I like having the variety on hand so guests can choose their own alcohol preference. These are low calorie, low sugar, and lower alcohol by volume. I would recommend these to people who want to actually enjoy their party without spending a ton of time in the kitchen or behind the bar. There's nothing better than a Gardenista Ready-to-Serve premium cocktail.
These Barebones Gardening Gloves are my favorite. Now they're made from cowhide leather, so they allow you to work with those really prickly cacti so you're not hurting your fingers when you're repotting them from pot to pot. Another reason why I love this brand is that they're handmade in Pakistan, allowing families to make fair wages. They're also really easy to wipe down and clean when you're done with the job, so if you're putting them in a bag right after, you can just give them a quick wipe down and they're good to go. One of my favorite things about these gloves is that there's keystone stitching right around the thumb, and so it gives you that flexibility when you're potting a really big plant and you have to move around.
The Ray-Ban Meta Headliner smart glasses are an incredible way to capture content. As someone who's constantly exploring, I love to take videos and photos everywhere I go. And these glasses allow me to give a different perspective to my audience that I haven't been able to do. When I have these glasses on, I can listen to my favorite podcasts. I can listen to any music I want to. I can even take a phone call. That's crazy. And let's talk about the Meta AI. You ask your glasses a question and they give you the answer. Hey Meta, what are the hours for Men's Barber Lounge in Chicago, Illinois?
The hours for Men's Barber Lounge in Chicago today are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
You can even look at something and the glasses will tell you what you're looking at.
You're seeing a city skyline with tall buildings and blue sky. The building is the Willis Tower, formerly known as Sears Tower.
These glasses have everything I need for me to get my job done and still look cool doing it.